to my channel Code with Neha. So today I'm back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started.
We have already discussed about lower L case, upper and U case function in my previous video. You can check the video from the above I button. Today we will be discussing about trim function in SQL. So without any further delay, let's get started. Trim function. Trim function in SQL is primarily used to remove leading and trailing space characters from a string. While its default behavior handles spaces, modern SQL dialects allows to specify exact characters to remove from either end. Basic syntax and variants. The standard SQL syntax for trimming is highly versatile, though implementation varies slightly across different database systems. Trim removes both leading and trailing spaces, default or specified characters. Ltrim removes leading left side space only. Rtrim removes trailing right side spaces only. Syntax. Trim within bracket leading, trailing both, removal character from target string. Let's understand this with practical examples. Trim function. First query is to remove both leading and trailing spaces from a string. Select trim within bracket within inverted commas a string that has spaces from both sides as trimmed string. Run the query, you will see spaces are removed from both sides of the string. Next query is trimmed specific character from a string. Select trim within bracket within inverted commas x from within inverted commas xxxx hello world xxx. That means the x are the extras from both the sides of a string hello world as trimmed string. Run the query, you will see x is removed from both sides of the string hello world. Next query is using trim with column data. Here, using employee table under employee underscore 123 database. Query to remove 0 from account number in employee table. Select trim within bracket leading within inverted commas 0 from account number as updated account number from employee. Run the query, you will see the updated account number with removed 0 from the left and right of the account number. Next is the Ltrim function. Query to remove all leading spaces from a string. Select Ltrim within bracket within inverted commas spaces from left, then a string as left trimmed string. By running the query, all the spaces from the left of the string are removed. Similarly, we can remove spaces of numerical values by converting it into string. Next, we will remove spaces from columns in a table. For that, I am updating a table including spaces in a column for the better understanding of query. Query to remove all the leading spaces of the column first name. So, select Ltrim within bracket within inverted commas first name as updated first name from employee. By running the query, you will see only first name appears in all columns. This is happening because first name in the query is treated as a string, not as a column name. So remove inverted commas from the query for exact result. Next is Rtrim function. Query to remove trailing spaces from a string. It's similar to Ltrim, only the difference is it removes spaces from the right of a string. Next is query to remove trailing spaces from a column in a table. Using same table, employee. Select Rtrim within bracket first name as updated name from employee. Run the query, you will see spaces are removed from the right. So that's all for today. We will discuss more string function in my upcoming videos. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.